Alright, I'm going to be talking about the rate limit exceeded. Please wait a few moments and try again. So if you're getting this error in Twitter, I'm going to tell you what this means and exactly what it means and how to go about it. So let's get started. So if you're getting this problem, usually check this out. So Elon Musk tweeted on Twitter and he put this: to address extreme levels of data scrapping and system manipulation, you upload the following temporary limits. So all verified accounts are limited to reading 6,000 posts a day, unverified accounts 600, and new unverified accounts for 300 posts a day. So meaning that the verified accounts see more posts than the unverified accounts. Okay, so check this out. The reason I set a view limit is because all Twitter addicts and need to go outside. That means I'm doing a good deed for the world. Yeah, so that they're trying to minimize addiction to Twitter and all that by setting the view limit. So that means you have to wait for the next day to see more posts. So that's it. That's how you go about it.